Hello everyone, Eileen here with another tag book background technique for you. You'll find more of these tag book videos in the album here on the group. I believe this one is number 10 in the series. For those of you that are new to the group, if you start at number 1, it will give you all the information about why I started this series of tag book technique backgrounds. It's just so that you've got a reference point when you need a background. So we're doing lots of backgrounds that you can choose from. Now this one is brilliant for quick cards and journal pages too. I first saw this technique years ago on Pinterest. It was all over the internet like a rash. This is my version. I've done a couple of tags with just the background here, and I'll give you the colours that I've used. This one I've used pumice stone and speckled egg, and that's what the colours I'll be using this morning. Bundled sage and tattered rose. I'm remembering. Carry on taking the tablets, Eileen. This one is faded jeans and I've written it on the back, marigold. I've also, as you can see, I've stenciled over the top with some archival inks and sweet poppy stencil just to sort of have a play, and use some gold sparkle pen. I love archival inks for stenciling because archival inks are transparent, so you can see the layers underneath, which is perfect. Now this one I've used a more opaque ink. I think this is Versifying Clear Nocturne. And the background of this one I did with, let me see if I've written it on the back, yes, warm lipstick and pumice stone again. And then I just got a quick, I put some white paint on, and then, which I've done with the others, show you in a moment. I thoroughly enjoyed it, very quick to do, very quick, and quite satisfying as well. Let's go. Couple of bits of copy paper and a scoreboard, and it doesn't matter what scoreboard, whatever scoreboard you have, because you're not measuring any widths or anything like that. What you're doing is drawing a fence or the planks of wood to replicate a fence. So here's my tag. It's still got a bit of a mark on it, that won't matter. And I've put a hole in it and got a ring thingy, enforcer. Yeah, I knew it was something like that. Put that face down onto your scoreboard and then just score some lines down. Try and stay in the grooves, but different widths. Some wider than others. Some can be very narrow. Others can be quite wide. Just, it doesn't matter, you know. Right, turn it over because you're working on this side, and you've got the lines here, and they are embossed. Okay, next, distress inks. I'm going to use antique linen and speckled egg. So starting off with antique linen, and this is quick, blink and you'll miss it. You just go down. This pad isn't overly wet. Be careful if your ink pad is very wet. You can do this with any dye-based inks. In fact, you can use any inks you like. It depends on how they blend or skim across the card. You don't want too many blotches. Distress inks are, and also oxides would work well on this. So that is the antique linen, now speckled egg. Now I'm using fairly pale colours so that my main image will be centre stage as normal. And with this antique linen and the speckled egg, it's giving me some green tones. Now I'm pressing this harder, so I'm getting more blue down. And the card is well covered now, or tag. Oh, the tag, by the way, did I tell you, it's a cream multifarious cardstock smooth. In fact, that leads me on. This background works wonderfully well on loads of different substrates. So if you've got watercolour card, try it on that. Smooth card, textured card. any old card you like. Be interested to see in the group, if you want to put some pictures on, of the different results that you get from the different substrates. That would be, you know, really interesting. And if there are any ideas there, it will give inspiration to others, yeah? Now, Snowflake fresco finished chalk paint. Any chalk paint will do, not the sort of shiny acrylic stuff. That doesn't really like to be stenciled over or stamped, but Snowflake fresco finished chalk paint, you can stamp on it, write on it, stencil on it. It's great. So I'm just giving it a good shake and popping some down onto my copy paper. And then I'm looking for the implement of, well, my painting implement, and that is an old credit card, or some sort of club we used to belong to, I think. Caravan and Motorhome Club. Yeah, we got rid of our caravan this year. Oh, I'm a bit sad that I've lost it, but we're still going away, but we're just staying in a static or a hotel, you know, slumming it a bit. Right, enough of that. Let's go. So I've put some paint on. You're looking for a sort of an arty look, aren't we all? And I'm not covering the whole tag. Oh, no, no, no. No, it's sort of bits here and there, like that. And can you see okay? Yeah, that's not bad. So basically, that's it. Dry it off. And then when it's dry, I mean, you can add more colour. I'm not proud. You add whatever colours you like. You've got the white paint on. You can use any other paint if you want to. Chalk paint again would be good because you'd be able to put other stuff on top. You can put some more inks on. You can put sprays on. Whatever takes your fancy. And then when it's finally dry, I really love this orange, and this is Orange Blossom from Ranger. Archival ink, Orange Blossom. Oh, yeah, paint all over my hand now. I really love this stencil. Is from Sweet Puppy Stencils. Can't remember the name of it. It's a huge flower stencil, very popular, and it really looks good, doesn't it? You know, it makes a statement. That's it. We should all make statements on a Sunday. Right, I'm off. I've got to go. I've got so much to do. I want to do some crafting this afternoon, and I've got loads of domestic engineering. Really boring. Nothing else to add. No, you've got it. Oh, display board. Pop that on. Here's one that I've just finished. And here are the others that I made earlier. Okay. Have a fabulous Sunday. I'll see you next weekend, next Sunday, with another tag background tutorial, hopefully. Bye for now. Thanks for looking.